Wow, that tornado is very big. Oh, it's coming towards me. Let me get in my car. Let's deploy. All set. It's here. Let's undeploy. Hello, this is the news. A tornado is going to hit a power plant. Update, we are warning the people.
Damn, a tornado hitting a power plant.
Probably a rare event.
And an EF5 is hitting us.
Yeah, see it on my radar. Also, Melon updates about it.
Yeah, it's 220 miles per hour now. It's super strong now. Getting more updates.
Alright, fixing the camera.
I feel something bad. Our anemometer fell off. Let's put it here. Let's deploy. All right, we deployed.
It's coming. Wait, we can see the MPH. Let me place a probe.
Bro, get in, it's coming. It's coming. NOW. Strong storm.
I agree.
It's still 220 miles per hour. Guys, when it's going to end?
Ike. Guys, I think it's going to end. Yeah, it's ending. Let's get some food after this.
Yeah, I feel very hungry. Let's get some rest after we eat.
Okay. But now let's undeploy. Let's go to the food store now.
But let me get my probe too. Okay, let's go now. I got stabbed.
Really, let me get my phone. I'm going to call ambulance.
Hurry, I'm bleeding.
Okay, okay. Why can't I pull out my phone? Okay, got it.
911.
So my friend got stabbed.